أعزائي المشاهدين، كما عودناكم في برنامجكم الأسبوعي برنامج إماراتي، نستضيف لكم خيرة من دولة الإمارات العربية المتحدة. وهذا الأسبوع مع قصة نجاح إيطالية أتتنا في عام 2020. السيد ستيفانو, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Let us to know who is Stefano, from where he came and why he started his own business in United Arab Emirates.
Yeah. I'm the CEO of Oikos Atelier Dubai. We sell special door and customized door in this region, in Gulf region. I come from Italy. I was born in Bologna and I lived several years in Verona and near Venice. And I come here in 2018. I can say thanks to coronavirus, we opened a branch here because we see the opportunity to make a good service for our client, because we already sell since 2012 in this region. But we decided to open a branch. And we opened a branch in 2020.
You say thanks to Corona to let me to come to Middle East and to United Arab Emirates. Let's to know more about the idea to invest in United Arab Emirates. Why you choose Dubai?
We choose Dubai because we think, and we are fully convinced, of course, it was a good choice. And because the business is fast and the bureaucracy is less, I mean, and also Dubai is the biggest hub around the world. I mean, through Dubai you can manage all the Gulf area, the Asia also, because Dubai is well connected also by plane, as a big port, so it's very easy to manage the business through Dubai.
You visited Dubai before or just?
Yeah, the first time I landed in Dubai for a few days in 2016. And it was August, so it was a hot season.
Very simple.
And after that, I started to live in Dubai in end of 2018. And we decided to open because this is the biggest hub in the world. So, and the business is growing every year, so we are very happy about. And also, the Saudi Arabian year, that is, was an amazing choice.
Many nationality,
many multicultural, safety, of course, and services. We can say we are spoiled. I mean, because there is a lot of, and in the business field is more easy than in any other part of the world. It's easy to manage the business here in Dubai.
Let us know more about Oxy, when it started and what you are providing.
So Oikos was founded 45 years ago in Italy, in a place called Gruaro, near Venice. Okay, from two founders, which currently they are the same, and they start to build the safety door in the beginning. And one of the owners take care about the commercial, the marketing and the commercial stuff, and the other follow the production. Thanks to the collaboration through the architect or big firm, they improved the product. Since now, which we are one of the best door producers in terms of luxury in the niche market. So in 2006, we invented the pivot system, which there is no box in the floor. I mean, okay, and smart door, and so on, and we improve every years. So this was the
When you joined them, which year you was joining them?
I know them the first time in 2016 because I was, and after that in 2019, I say, okay, because the brand I know before, of course, but to start the business with them in 2019 because the way, the passion and the way which they build the door and they follow the process. If you see the main factory, you feel they are 150 employees, and they have more than one generation work in the factory. So meaning there is passion behind the work. I mean, and so I was always attracted about design, fancy stuff, and also in a technical way, and so.
It was easy to communicate it with them and to take the brand to United Arab Emirates from Italy. And what there was answer when you said Dubai, I'm going to Dubai to start?
Was let's say it was easy, okay, because the communication is very friendly, okay, and they are businessmen, of course, but in a friendly way. They are very kind and humble, which is. And I asked if we can start together the showroom and to selling, because I saw in Dubai the opportunity to sell, at least at that time, 10 times more. Because Dubai, I check in Dubai Land Department, for example, how many villas they are, which can afford, I mean, our door. And I found there is 10,000 villa at least. So also if we take 5%, 3% of this market,
that's a big number.
This is a big number.
Let us to know more about the product and how it's started to in the manufacturing and to reach to the door to fix it. What the process, and let's know more about the quality as a luxury brand.
We build $7,000 per year all around the world. We produce only in Italy. The production is all the component is made in the main factory in Italy, and there is no one door similar to other in terms of dimension, finishing, cladding, color, and the production starts in Italy, of course. When the client places the order, we send all the measurement and all the details in the main factory.
Sorry, but if someone give you the measurement and size and the color, it's how many days or months it takes to make it ready?
Okay, when all the details are clear from the client side or the architect side, the production time frame is between 9 weeks to 16 weeks, depend of the choice of the client. If we have to do in marble, for example, if we have to clad the door in marble with the backlight, for example, or onyx, which is difficult, which also the client has to choose which block, which slab we have to apply in his door. Maybe this takes more time, but normally the average time is 3 months, 3 months and a half, plus shipment. Sometimes we ship by air, sometimes by sea, depend.
Depend about the quality or depend about the customer?
No, depend of if exactly depend if the customer are in hurry. Sometimes they want the door quickly. We cannot make a shortcut in the production time, so we can decide to ship by air, which is not so difficult because Emirates have cargo every week from Milan, so it's very easy. Another service, for example.
After that, in Italy, it's going to process. Okay, you take the size and the
size. We send in Italy, of course, and we start the production. Okay, the first thing we have to do is to take the material in outsourcing, because we don't have the marble, of course, and marble or tiles or glass, and all the material go in the main factory. We have all the machine. We also paint ourselves the profile, the handle, and everything. We assemble. We put the insulation, thermal insulation, inside, because now not only for this region, but all around the world. So also in terms of acoustic, okay? So we make the insulation inside the door. Basically, the door is a steel door inside, it's a galvanized steel, and the pivot system and the lock is stainless steel 316. After make the structure of the door, we clad the door in any kind of material, depend of the customer.
And the door came full size?
The door came fully assembled, okay, frame and door in the same crane box. After that we send in Dubai, okay, through the sea or air, depend, arriving in the custom duty. We deliver in the construction site or in the site. And our team, which live in Dubai, the installation team, we have 5 people from Italy which live in Dubai, and we start the installation. The installation normally takes between 2 days and 5 days, depend how much is big the door, because we can build the door till 7 meters by 3, one leaf, in a pivot system, and sometimes the weight of the door will reach 1 ton, 1.2 ton. That depends which cladding we have it.
Let us to go back to the raw materials when you're collecting in the factory. From where you bring the raw materials and what process, or we can say what you are focusing in the raw materials to have a door eco-friendly, sustainability. Our world is take care about that, and our leaders, they are supporting and the vision of eco-friendly and climate.
Of course. All the process to build a door, all the raw material, starting from the steel, or cladding, or paint, for example, and aluminium for the profile, all our supplier has to be certified in the environment field. And also for the insulation, we have a test, of course. We made a lot of tests to make the door eco-friendly. Okay. Also the paint which we use to paint the profile and the handle, for example, are the environmental free. I mean, so we use all the material which we use to build the door, and we control also our supplier. They have to follow the certification, the green certification which we have in Europe, and all the process is eco-friendly. Also the main factory has the solar panel for the energy. I mean,
if we talk about doors, there is thousands and millions of doors, but most of the people, they think the doors are khalas. They don't focusing about the quality, and they don't know about the material they can use it, the warranty of that. Let us know more information about after the fix it, what warranty you can give, and what the life it can be. And if that door, when it came more old, maybe the price it will going high or no?
Okay.
You can say, like, if you remember the old wood and antiques door, today they are more or 10 times of the price what we was before buying.
Yeah. We can say this. The warranty, okay, starting from the warranty, which is the easiest part, is 2 years for the all component, and 5 years or 10 years, depend which cladding you choose. Of course, if we put real wood, if we clad for real wood the external part, which is fully exposed to the weather, sun, rain, of course the warranty can be only 2 years for the for external panel, because for the structure, which is in galvanized steel, and the pivot component and the lock component is stainless steel 316, we can keep the 10 years warranty. I mean, this is not an issue. About the door is a door, so depend. We produce. We are in the niche market. Of course, you have to think about the special door for your villa, because mainly our client, our doors are fitted in the villa mainly. We have also the fire-rated door for the hotel, but this is another field, which the hinge door. But speaking about the best seller, which is the pivot door, in big dimension, because we can do 7 meters by 3, etc. You have to think about buy like an expensive door is like buy an expensive watch, or you sell through emotion. Because the door in your villa is the threshold between your public life and your private life. And also every time you use it, you have to feel an emotion. So if you have a beautiful door, for example, with onyx backlight, you enjoy every time when you come back to work, when you get in your home. So it's like why we buy expensive car or expensive watch. It's only by emotion. Because if you want only to read it at the hour or what time is it, is enough the phone. You know what I mean?
Right.
So.
I got your point, but Mr. Stefano, let us to know why your door is expensive.
Okay, starting from the raw material, because we produce the door in steel, which is more expensive than the aluminum, and also because the thermal expansion of steel is less than aluminum, and we choose steel, galvanized steel, for the structure of the door, and stainless steel for the other component. Mm-hmm. We choose this for the quality, for the durability of the product, for the warranty, and also to carry the marble weight, because we have to carry sometimes, the pivot system have to carry 1 ton. 500 kilograms is, 400 kilograms is the average of our door. And you need the quality of the, starting from the raw material, which is more expensive than aluminum. And so this is why we are expensive. And also we are the tailors of the door. I mean, we build the door based on your dimension, based on your villa. So there is no one door similar to other. So, and this is a cost.
The cost for villa also will grow.
Yeah, exactly. You can imagine to sell a beautiful villa with a cheap door. I mean,
right.
You have to
give
also is a smart door. Okay, you can have
smart
a
door. Let us know about the automation also.
Okay, we have more than one kind of automation lock. You can use. We have a system which you can connect with your home automation, and there is also you can have the fingerprint, of course, the code. You can open by phone, by key, of course, always with key. Okay. You can manage till 300 users. You can divide it also. You can have maybe the family member can use the fingerprint, and then the staff member can use by card or by phone, and you can manage. You can see when the user get in the house or go out. There is a report. So there is a lot of features you can add.
Let us talk about the glass door. You are also providing that?
We have one model for the glass door called Nova. Is armor door. So the thickness is 10 centi. Also the glass is 8 centi. One camera or double camera, depend. Pivot system, because we have only one type about glass door. And there's more option about the glass. Can be armor, can be bulletproof also. Depend which requirement and which country. The lock work in the same way. The lock is the same of the other pivot system, and the pivot mechanism is the same. Basically, and there is a frame all around to keep all the mechanism and to keep the glass.
I will not ask you about the competition here because I think you are unique, and people who know Oxy, they will know what you are providing exactly. But I will ask you about the demand. How is it here?
The demand?
Yeah, in UAE or in the GCC country.
No, I can say the demand every year increase 25-30%. Okay. Also the selling increase. I think we'll go in this way for several years.
Inshallah.
So yeah.
And if we talk about the GCC other countries, do you get some demand from like other countries, or just in UAE you are focusing on?
No, we are focusing also in Saudi Arabia, in other countries. Of course, the UAE is the most, yeah, because we start from here, but here there's a lot of opportunity, and now we start very well some years ago in Saudi Arabia. In Kuwait, we have a good seller. I mean, we have a good partner, and we sell also in Bahrain, Qatar, and Oman. This is the region we can reach easily through Dubai. We sell all around the world, by the way.
To give good quality of service, the important part after sales service,
Yeah.
we need to have a professional team and a creative team. How you select your team and what procedure you put to have a right team and active team.
Yeah. So in general, when we hiring or when we search someone, of course we check the skills and also the behavior, and they made a training, which is between 1 or 3 months, depend. And of course, when you sell a good product, the missing part always in every company is the human factor, because you already have the good product,
Right.
and what you're missing often is the human factor, so the people who follow. So the most important part after selling, after the production, is the installation. The installation team has to be well trained. So
We need our product to talk word of mouth, the important part in your business, but also most of people and also companies, they focus more in the social media to be active there and to produce their product also. Let know more about your marketing team, how you market your product to let the people understand more about what you are giving.
yeah, so we made 2 kind of marketing. One is from the manufacturer, of course, worldwide. It's like a brand awareness. So we participate in the most important exhibition all around the world, from Germany, USA. We were in Saudi Arabia in Big Five, for example. It was February, if I remember well.
February.
Exactly. And this is, and after that we follow up. We make the marketing and we make the lunch and learn, for example, in all our branches with architect. We made a lot of event, and of course, the in the social media. Okay. Of course, we don't have the massive production, so we have to focus always in the niche
Great.
market.
And if we talk about the important part we was talking about it, the after-sale services, to give more trust, to build a strong relation with our client. How you support them after when you fix, if they have any we can
Issues.
say problems or issues, or they need any to change it, to fix it. How you
Yeah.
support them?
So our product, we don't use any kind of, for example, it's all mechanic. You have to think about, it's like a Lego, okay? So every part can be replaced. We have a lot of spare parts in our warehouse here in Dubai to make the quick service, like lock, like of course, if for example, if there is some issues about the cladding, of course we reorder. We keep the drawing of each door for 20 years. So if the client also after 5 years, 4 years, 10 years, also if he want to change the cladding all inside, because maybe he redo the villa inside, we can order the new cladding. Of course, there is a time frame, and you can change your internal cladding. About issues and other stuff can be happen, of course. For example, can be the fingerprint, can be the lock, because it's mechanical part, can be broken sometimes. We have the spare part here, and the team, we make an appointment and we change it.
That's
Within 2 years is free, of course. 2 to 5, depend which.
Mr. Seveni, if we want to know about the future plan, what you are planning, what the next after that success?
So the future plan is to improve the market, of course, all around the world, but I manage the Gulf region, of course, and to expand and to open another branch in this region. And this is the plan, to increase the selling by 25-30% per year. So we can achieve this, and we have new products coming.
Great. What I focus on you, or I see on you, you are focusing more on, we can say residential more, not
Yeah.
commercial. what about the commercial side? Do you have any plan for that for the next few years?
Yeah, in the commercial, sometimes we did, depend from the design, but normally the commercial, if we speak about office shop or mall,
Buildings,
office buildings, they
Hotels.
always, hotels, exactly. The hotels, we have we can produce of course, the door, fire rated, because this is the requirement. About commercial, is difficult for us because our time frame sometimes doesn't match the time frame of the shop have to open in 2 months,
Right.
and our time frame is 3 months in the production.
But there is no chance maybe next few years to start a workshop here, maybe?
Maybe we can have a part of.
Inshallah.
Yeah.
I wish for you all the best. Today, to be in this level, it is not easy. It was a hard time. You was, I'm sure, in gambling when you start in 2020 United Arab Emirates with COVID-19, but you succeed and you do the best. The long journey is not coming easy, but you do it.
Yeah.
Let us know who's behind you, who's your backbone, who support you to be today in this level, and what's message you will give for these people who support you always.
Now, of course, all the main factory which support us in to improve, they give a lot of support, okay, and they help us to open the first showroom, which was great. This is the thanks and all the friends who support me and the company to grow.
Today you have a lot of company you work with, or we can call them sisters company, which they can support you with more orders, and also you work with them to build a strong name between you and them, and trust. The trust, it's very hard to build it.
Yeah.
But you do it here. Most of the Arctic companies who work here and interiors also, and to have that strong communication, it is not easy. How you build it? As His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid, he mentioned in my vision book, if you read it.
Yeah, I read it.
To be number one, it is not easy, but to continue and to grow and to be sustainable,
It's more
that's
difficult.
more difficult. Yeah. How you do it?
Yes, this is very difficult to keep the trust and to build and to continue. This is the most difficult part. When you reach the success, you have to keep it, and this is the most difficult part. You can keep. You have to be always present. You have to go in any event. If the customer have some issues or some problem or change the idea, you have to support. You have to be present. I don't want to say 24 hours, but this is to build, to build the trust. This is the most difficult part, because you have to always be present.
All right. Today, if you have advice from your success journey, what you will advise for the people who are planning to come to invest, for the newcomers, what's you give advice?
I can advise they have to stay focused on their idea, and stay present, because Dubai required to be here, and because I have also some friend or some colleague, they want to open other kind of business in Dubai. I said yes, but we have to be present, and this is normal, because in any country, if you have to buy a product, you want the branch open, because there's a customer service, so you have to provide a service. This is for me the best advice I can do. Stay focused on your idea. This is and the determination, and don't get lost. Stay focused. Of course, there is some hard period.
Right.
You have to, but you grow only through pain. You cannot grow when it's easy going. I mean, when the things are easy, you grow only through the hard experience. To learn more.
Mr. Stefano, today we are in United Arab Emirates and UAE, one of the best countries in the world from the safety and security. We have, as you mentioned, multiple nationality, more than 218 nationality plus, and also the safety of this country, which help the people to come and to live and to invest. Our visionary leaders, they always support the important part like healthcare, education, technology, business, economy, all that which make the life more strong and safe. What you will have a message today to the UAE government and leaders to make our life more easy with also technology?
Yeah, I think the government of UAE is the best or one of the best around the world, to be honest. And because they did, if you see the last 20 years, they did something amazing, okay? And there is no place in the world you can live in a multicultural society with this kind of safety, services, healthy, school. So I think this is, they did a good job, and they still do. A great job, not a good job, okay? And there is no other country. And also the business is fast and easy. So how I can suggest something to the leader? No, I don't have any. I think they did the best. They have to continue. They have to keep. Okay, this is the so stay strong to continue in this way.
Big thanks to UAE government and leaders for their support.
Of course.
Thank you for your time to be with Emarati
Thank you.
program. Emarati program always choose the best, and you are one of the best company in United
I'm
States.
glad to hear it.
My best wishes for you and my team also. It was a pleasure to meet you.
Also was my great pleasure.
Thank you.
القاب دفوتها لها غير وترحبهم